In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use advanced search in X, also known as Twitter, so you can find exactly what you're looking for much faster. Whether you want to search by a specific phrase, narrow down results, or uncover posts from the right account or time period, advanced search is one of the most useful tools inside X. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software and social media tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open X in your browser and go to the top search bar. Type in any word or phrase you want to search for, then press Enter. This initial search is what gets you into the results page, where you can begin filtering more precisely. Once the results page loads, look near the search bar and click the three dots, or the More Options button. This menu gives you extra search tools that are not always obvious at first glance. From the pop-up menu, click Advanced Search. On desktop, you may also see Advanced Search in the sidebar under Search Filters, so if you don't see it next to the search bar, check there as well. After opening Advanced Search, you'll be able to refine your search in a much more detailed way. This is where X becomes much more powerful, because instead of scrolling through endless results, you can narrow things down using exact words, phrases, accounts, and other filters. For example, you can search for posts with specific keywords, exclude certain terms, or focus on content from particular users. You can also use date ranges to look for older posts or recent discussions. This is especially helpful if you're trying to find a viral post, track a topic, research a brand, or locate something you saw earlier but can't remember exactly. The key is to start with your basic search, then use advanced search to make the results more accurate and relevant. If you're using X for marketing, research, news, or content discovery, this feature can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of manually scrolling through hundreds or thousands of posts, advanced search helps you zero in on the exact conversations that matter. Take a moment to explore the filters and experiment with different combinations until you get the results you want. Once you get used to it, it becomes a very fast way to search smarter, not harder. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. And that's how to use advanced search in X, step by step. Try it out for yourself, and you'll see how much easier it is to find the posts and information you need.